So start with the name of Allah, who is the most beneficent and merciful. Uh, grade class O5, subject English, and the chapter is stories and comic strip, unit 4. And in unit 4 there is subunit. The subunit name is The Cartoonist. Page number 54. This is a fiction story which we are going to read today. 13 January 2021. Okay. Alfie likes to escape to his private world in the attic to draw cartoon. He dreams that one day he and his attic will be famous. Okay. Now, the name of the child who is drawing this picture is Alfie, right? And attic means in Europe countries or in America, there is a ladder attached on the roof. When we pull it down, so that stair come out. Then we step up and go into the specific chamber, which is made with wood. So that is called attic. Okay, and you will see the picture of attic uh, also in the picture. Now, did you hear me, Alfie? Alfie didn't answer. He was drawing a comic strip called Superbird. So who is saying, did you hear me, Alfie? Mother. Mother is saying and shouting and crying and making him realize that now stop drawing and come down. We will read in ahead paragraph, then you will understand. Alfie did not answer because he was busy in drawing, and the name of that drawing strip was Superbird. In the first square, a man was scattering birdseed from a bag labeled Little Birdseed. So Alfie draw that picture in first square. In the first picture, a man is right scattering birdseed, and the name of that bag is Little Birdseed. उसने बैग पे नाम भी लिखा हुआ था, छोटे परिंदों का दाना, right? खाना के लिए उसको. In the next square, little birds were gobbling up the seed. And in the second picture, when he scattered the little seeds to the birds, now the birds are gobbling. Gobbling means swallowing, eating, because they are hungry. In the third square, the man was scattering bird seed from a bag labeled Big Bird Seed. And in the third square, उसके अंदर उसने एक और थैला बनाया हुआ था जिसका नाम उसने बिग बर्ड सीड रखा हुआ था, राइट? क्या रखा हुआ था? बिग बर्ड सीड. ओके, देन व्हाट हैपेंड? इन द नेक्स्ट स्क्वायर बिग बर्ड वर गोबलिंग अप द सीड्स. और अब नेक्स्ट जो पिक्चर है उसके अंदर वो बर्ड्स बड़े हो गए, और क्योंकि वो बड़े बर्ड्स को खाना दे रहा था तो वो बर्ड्स अब बड़े हो गए. In the fifth square, the man was scattering huge lumps from a bag labeled giant bird seed. अब जो उसने तस्वीर बनाई है उस तस्वीर के अंदर उसने जाइंट बर्ड सीड यानी बड़े परिंदों का दाना खाना वो रखा हुआ है. इन द लास्ट स्क्वायर अ जाइंट बर्ड वाज गोबलिंग अप द लिटिल मैन. और आखिरी तस्वीर के अंदर उसने बताया है कि एक बहुत बड़ा परिंदा जो आया और उसने उस लिटिल मैन को ही हड़प कर लिया. There was a smile on Alfie's face as he looked at what he had done. उसके चेहरे पे मुस्कुराहट थी कि यार ये क्या बनाया है इसने. At the top of the drawing, he lettered in the word Superbird. Right? He was going to do 12 of these super comic strips. इस तरह की 12 comic strip वो बनाने वाला है. He decided one for each month. एक महीने में एक. He would call it super calendar. Maybe he would get it published, and later when he learned how, he would animate. पहले वो पब्लिश करेगा, फिर उसके बाद वो डिसाइड करेगा कि इसको एनिमेट कैसे करना है. ठीक है. Now we go to the next page, page number 55. Superbird and make it into a film, and he would learn how to animate this and then he will make a film. Whenever he do something, he always saw it in motion. हरकत करते हुए देखता है. Alfie, his mom called again. Supper is ready. Come down right now. Mama said कि खाना तैयार है, नीचे आ जाओ. Alfie knew she was at the foot of the ladder now. She rattled the ladder as if she were trying to shake him down. I'm coming up there to pull you down by the ear if you don't come this minute. Mother said, कान से खींच के ले आऊंगी अगर तुम अब नहीं आए. और उसकी सीढ़ियों को शेक कर रही थी, रैटल कर रही थी, हिला रही थी. I'm coming, Alfie said. He got up quickly and turned his papers face down on the table. He started for the ladder that led downstairs, and then he came down. Coming down from the rattle was like getting off one of these rides at the amusement park. सीढ़ियों से आते हुए उसको ऐसा लग रहा था जैसे कहीं अम्यूजमेंट पार्क से नीचे आ रहा है सीढ़ियों पे. एल्फी थॉट, एल्फी ने सोचा, इट लेफ्ट हिम फीलिंग स्ट्रेंज. उसको अजीब सा महसूस हो रहा है. As if he had moved not from one part of the house to another, but from one experience to another without time to get his balance. यानी एक तजुर्बे से दूसरे तजुर्बे की तरफ आ रहा है वो, और वो अपने आप को बहुत स्ट्रेंज महसूस कर रहा था. दिस इज़ द स्टोरी. आई होप कि यू मस्ट हैव enjoyed about Superbird. Now student, here is a comprehension of this chapter. You see, give evidence from the extract in your answer to A and B. What was Alfie doing when his mother called him? He was drawing. Huh? What was the name of his comic strip? The name of his comic strip was Super Bird. How many pictures are in Alfie's comic strip? Very easy. How many pictures? Can you count? 6. Yes, right. What do you think? Why didn't Alfie go down for Super immediately? So you have to find out the answer, because if I give you the answer, but don't think that it is all in all, you may write your own answer as well. Why did Alfie go down for Super immediately? Because he was busy in drawing his comic strip. How do you know that Alfie's mom was angry? Because she has been calling him down for taking Super. And then she started rattling the ladder. Why did coming down from the attic leave Alfie feeling strange? Because he was experiencing very different. And he has a plan to draw the pictures each month and make a super calendar. Is it? Okay. Now, don't forget to write down this glossary in your copy, right? Remember. Thank you very much, students. And if you want to attempt exercise C, it will be very nice. What about you? Create a storyboard for this extract from the cartoonist. Draw the different part of a story and label them 1 to 6 so that they are in the correct order. If you want to draw your picture, so you may also draw a picture like this, like Alfie drew uh, Superbird story. So you can also draw any kind of a story, or you can also attach in your notebook. It will be very easy, and it will be very interesting. You will have a very amazing experience of drawing the story picture, Okay, so students, I hope you must have enjoyed uh, reading this story. That was very interesting story about Alfie. So let's see. In the next class, I hope we are going to go toward the next reading comprehension, that is page number 56. So take care, take your neighbors, your family. Allah Hafiz.